Bitwarden TOTP, time-based one-time passcode setup for Gmail. To set up TOTP for Gmail on Bitwarden, first open up Gmail app. Then tap on your Google from the top right hand side, followed by manage your Google account. From here, tap on security and sign in. From security and sign in, tap on two-step verification. Of course, if it's asking you for extra verification, make sure you do that. Assuming you have turned on two-factor authentication and you want to set up Bitwarden Authenticator as the Authenticator app. So once you're here within it, you can see the option called Authenticator. It says to add an Authenticator app. So when given this option, you'll find a QR code that is displayed to you. So just take a screenshot of that QR code or copy the key. Then once you've done that, what you want to do is launch the Bitwarden app. Under My Vault, tap the plus icon and tap on New Login. And then here you can enter the authenticator key manually, or you can tap on Setup Authenticator key to scan the QR code provided by Gmail. This way you can set up TOTP for Gmail on Bitwarden. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.